wonderful service.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss Uncle Tom, though.
Can you put on some music?
Sure. Good.
Oh my gosh, I got this new idea for a song. It's great. I'll go play it. You got it? Keep bumping! Yeah! Wow! Crazy! No, Brenda, no.
Stop it! Stop it!
Hi, you must be Forrest.
Hi, Mr. Saber.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So you want to take my daughter out on a date, huh?
Yes, I'm gonna have her back by 8:30, and I
Okay.
wanted to tell you how I'm gonna respect her, but I just couldn't find the words, so I thought, this song just really to speak to you.
Nope. Not today. Not again.